To clear the Java library DLL pop-up, we need to relink your code libraries. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and here is your safe, verified fix. Before we start the Java library manual guide, check the description for a professional diagnostic utility. This is the Java library, a foundational component of the Java Virtual Machine, JVM, on Windows. It contains the native code required for basic OS integration, including memory management, file input-output, and thread synchronization. It bridges the gap between Java bytecode and the Windows kernel. If missing, any Jar or Java-based application, like Minecraft, will fail with a could not load Java.dll or JRE not found error. Let's transition to the solution, starting with the official Microsoft redistributable. Reinstalling Oracle/OpenJDK is the safest fix. Download both x86 and x64 editions of the Visual C++ redistributables from Microsoft and install them. When a fresh installer fails to clear the error, it typically points toward a deeper conflict within the Windows execution layer. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes reestablish a broken link to the Java library file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. If a quick restart didn't do the trick, it's time to look deeper into the system configuration. If you need to pause the video to find your settings menu, I'll be right here. Sometimes a simple restart isn't enough for broken runtimes. Follow these steps to refresh the redistributable files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. To prevent any secondary issues, I recommend a cautious approach to downloading individual system files. Manual intervention with Java library DLL is technically dangerous because it risks overriding newer, secure system libraries with older, vulnerable versions that lack modern security patches. Let's conclude by looking at how a system maintenance utility can help keep your performance optimized and your libraries synchronized. Maintain a more reliable system by reviewing the software resource below, related to managing Java library references. To keep Java library running with a stable configuration, subscribe to our channel and like this video to help us reach more users in need of support.